Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today, let's talk about when you're not gonna need vinyl windows.
What? What are you talking about, man?
When you might need something like aluminum. There's a new style of construction that's been out for a little while now, a very modern style of home where they're more like block style. I mean, some pretty gnarly modern structures. And you wouldn't naturally use something like a vinyl window for that typically. Usually because you're talking about from the floor to the ceiling window walls, and I mean serious window walls. And in order to achieve that, you need to have strength, wind load, everything all involved. Everything is tempered glass. Everything is super thick. And what you're talking about basically is like a commercial style window. You're gonna want like an aluminum frame. So if you're looking for black exterior, black interior, and you're gonna find that on these style of homes. I mean, they're multi-million-dollar structures. So typically these types of homes are gonna be on the side of a hill or kind of covered by trees and things. And then they have this house with wide open glass everywhere. You're gonna want aluminum windows, and they look amazing. For vinyl windows and several other types of windows, there's a certain maximum amount of glass light that you can have before you have to have another frame basically mold together to create larger windows. With these aluminum, very, very thick aluminum windows, the glass can be immense, and that's very, very coveted for an architect who's trying to build something that's not normal, you know, not your average craftsman style house. They want something that can appease their thought process and what they want to do to build this gnarly home. I'm a big fan of that. Like, I would love to be able to afford a house like that one day, but dreams, right? So the operations of these windows are going to be a little more limited. You're talking about maybe awning windows. Doors are always going to be hinged. You might be able to get into some bifolding doors. Those are all going to be involved in the aluminum style. So like I said, I primarily use vinyl windows in what we deal with, but there are the times where you're gonna need something that's gonna be way more immense. An aluminum window is gonna produce that for you. So if you have any questions about that, you can always reach out to us, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.